How's it? Good day, everybody. March 28th, Monday. Absolutely gorgeous day. How's it? Alright, as I stated earlier, I'm on a multiple day ride up here. I'm going through the North Georgia mountains, the Tennessee mountains, and the North Carolina mountains, mostly following what's called the Smokey Mountains 500. And anyway, today I was hauling ass, didn't get to film much at all. I was on a race against the sun setting. But anyway, I've made it here to Tellico Plains, to a very cool little camping spot called Mecca Motorcycle Camping, or something to that effect. It's actually a full service camping facility. They have places for people with their RVs. They've got some glamping, I'll show you over there. They've got poles set up if you wanted to set up your hammocks. I was debating between that, but I don't think I have enough warm gear for tonight to sleep in my hammock. So I ended up throwing up my tent real quick and gonna spend the night here and then just carry on with this route. But anyway, let me show you around and get things going. Cheers. Alright, no making fun of my dinner tonight. I was riding so much, I didn't even stop for lunch, I didn't stop to get anything, so I'm using my backup for dinner tonight. Stuff I keep as backup in my bag. Chicken ramen noodles, peanut butter, and some whole wheat wraps. So that's on the menu for my fine dining here in the Tennessee mountains. Alright, cheers. I'm gonna get stuck in and then hopefully hit the sack. Bye. Good morning. Time to start day 2. It was a pretty rough night's sleep, not gonna joke. Get you some details in a second. Alright, it's time to get up, let's do this.